Hello everyone, welcome back to No Place Like Home. And today I will be showing you how I recreated this old piece of wood into a beautiful artwork. If you'd like to know how, keep watching. But before I do that, I am participating in an open collaboration with 3 creators. And they are Gigi Fashion, Loving Home Decor, and her co-hosts are JUANI'S House and SHAWNI on the Spot. I will be leaving their link below and also a playlist. Here we go. My husband, we was trying to get the stump up, but he couldn't get it all the way up, so he tried to cut it. This cedar here, it smells so good, and you can see the texture of it. I mean, it's like it was there yesterday, and it smelled so good. So what I did, I kept these pieces here just to put in my living area just for the smell, because I love the smell of cedar. So I don't know if it's red cedar, maybe somebody that knows what kind this is, let me know in the comment. I was going to throw it away. You know, Betty don't throw away nothing. Who throw away wood? So I cleaned it up real good. And I wanted to leave the texture like it is. And I was going to stain it, but I said, no, I'm not going to stain it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use like a top coat on it just to seal it in real good, because I still want that smell, because it's got this room smell just like cedar in here. So I'm going to use this like an art piece. Lady someone will be really proud of me to see that I'm trying to do an artwork. And what I did on yesterday, I just got my toothbrush and try to just get all that dirt and all of that stuff out of it, because when I get ready to spray it and wash it, I don't want none of that right there to be in it. So I already have did that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna go outside, and then I probably won't put it on the film, and I'm gonna wash this real good to get all the dirt off of it. And then I'm gonna come back and put a top coat on it. Because it's already, I mean, what can I do with nature? You can't do anything with nature, but to get this to kind of clean it up. Okay, so it have dried. So now I'm going to go ahead and spray it with this this clear top coat. I think I got this from Lowe's, but it's going to give it a good shine. Okay, so this is the final product of my artwork, and I did end up cutting the edges off, some of them that was sticking out. I didn't like that, so I got my saw and I did cut these edges here. I cut those off, if you can tell. I think I actually did pretty good on this, and it smells so good, y'all. So what I'm going to do now, go and decorate it. Okay, and I'll be back. Okay, so this is the final results of my artwork that I'm using as a centerpiece. And I have some little pumpkins around it, little dry leaves. I just wanted to display it as a fall decor. And also on my table, I got my wooden candlesticks, because it's all about wood. And then I have my wood, my wood cup holder. And I also have my wooden napping rings with the country look napkin, because this is a farmhouse look, and I always like to bring in some old things with the new, and I think that is real fitting for my tablescape. My little nuts, I got a little wooden bowl that someone wants pecans. I have the pecans there. And we're having chocolate today. So I got my mugs out with my spoons already in it. And I have my coffee pot over here, ready to serve my chocolate. And I got my leaf runner, and I decided to just put it in the middle instead of putting it all the way across the table. And I know y'all saw my my wagon wheel. I just thought that was so cute. I said, well, since we're talking about wood, I might well put it on the table too. And we have our harvest in there. I have my carrots, and I think I got some sweet potatoes. That we probably do a sweet potato pie, and some flowers, and some more things that I have in my wagon wheel. And I kind of mixed it up the white just kind of bring it out, because it looked dark, and I didn't want it to look real dark because wood is dark. So I kind of placed a little light color wood under my little splendor. Then I have my bowl of dried leaves in my little container here. I thought that was fitting for the table. But after all in all, I think it turned out real good. I hope y'all enjoyed this. And don't forget to go over and check all the participants that participated in this collaboration. And I will have a link below and a playlist also. And before I go, I'd like to thank my subscribers. And if you're new here, welcome. And if you have not already subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and the bell twice, so you won't miss any of our times together. And as that being said, have a blessed and safe day. And know that God loves you so much, and so do I. Be blessed. Bye-bye.